Hello guys, this is Al Castillo and I want to show you some scanning using my new creation which I call reverse mirror self-organized map neural network. And I want to show you on the USDJPY. Today it's the 27th of September 2010, and as you can see here, um, the green line is the current price and the red line is the neural network output. And you can see here that it's moving. It changes because it is going from different sets of 600 days each, right? And as you can see here, I have 4 training sets, and it's moving through each of them, giving an output on each of them. All right, and you can see here two or three different bytes entry, and that's based on the recent output that you can see. What this network does is predict, find price pattern and predict price pattern. So I'm trading this predicted price pattern that is supposed to move up from this point on. As you can see here, I can refresh and simulate an incoming tick, and you can see how the network moves through the 4 different outputs. And now if I scan it from here, we can have more projections, and you can see the results. It also has some down move, so that needs to be taken into consideration as well. You can scan it from there. You can see the result. Alright, now I can show you some other pairs like the Euro USD. There we go. The projected pattern is from this point, the blue line, which I use as a scanner. Now we can use the first minute of past 12 last night, and we can see the projections. You can take it from this low, you can take it from the high, basically from any point, but I like to take highs and lows, also beginning of days and beginning of sessions. Or you can take it from present time. You can also move it to a 30 minute, even 1 hour. You will see different projections. We can move it backwards to there again, to this. And you can see the different price projections. There you go. We can move it to the pound USD. That's the projection. Remember, these are price pattern projection. there now. You can take it from this row. From that high, let's take it from this row. We can move to 30 minutes. Take it from the high. Up to 15. We can take it from this low. And apparently we are facing some up move on the GBP USD 15 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes says the same thing. Yes, it does say the same thing. 1 hour. You can move back to 30 minutes and set it to scan set of 1000 day each and get less signals but more precise, and that's what we get. You see, you move from one set to another. We only have 2 sets now because that depends on the amount of bars you have on the chart. We can move it to 15 minutes and see what we get now. You can scan it from that low, that right there, and that's the price value that we got. Alright, so there you have it. You can move it on any symbol that you have, and if you have gold, you can scan gold. If you have oil, you can scan oil. Anything you have on the chart, you can actually scan it with this new type of neural network, and you can have those kind of results, and there you have it.